suddenly prices are really going up because the materials are becoming more scarce. People decided to renovate their houses, then had to hire architects, designers, and move into that process. Those houses are oftentimes big. They're taking a lot of plywood. They're taking a lot of electrical wire, a lot of plumbing pipes. We turned in a price yesterday. I had to fight with the electrician and the plumber to hold their price from 2 weeks ago because they wanted an increase of 10%. Insane, but that's what they're facing right now. So I think for subcontractors, it's a challenge right now because during the COVID shutdown, a lot of their good people left. And so now they're trying to recruit from a pool. Many people have gone to somewhere else to do something else. It's finding people, training people then to their way of doing business. So we find as a general contractor, it's hard to find all the people that we want on our subcontractors' teams. I think architects and designers went through COVID oftentimes really shrinking their staff because work kind of dried up. So for those companies that retracted their staff, now that they're back up busy, they're taking work to make up for the COVID loss, and they're trying to work efficiently, make some money back to cover their losses, which means oftentimes they don't have enough staff. So prices are really going up and availability is really going down.